My name is Gary Myrle. I'm with Cardinal Gibbons High School. We purchased a Bodum Bistro electric grinder. Here's our receipt, proof of purchase, all the information that you might need to show when the order was placed, how much we paid. We started using this grinder in April, and by May it stopped grinding. As you can see, it's plugged into the wall. When I turn it on, there's that little red light. I know there's power. Damn thing should be working, but unfortunately it's not. It's working just fine. Turns just fine. Yep, put the grinder, if I put the coffee in, we'd usually hit this button. Again, light is on. Hit the button, no matter what I do in terms of turning, it just doesn't work. If it's helpful, I can take that off. I can show the pieces and parts. You can see the coffee grinds that are still there from when we were using it. And I wish it did work, because it sure did a great job, but it's not working. No matter how many seconds we put it on for, still not working. And yet the light is still on. There's my video, 2 minutes, done.